Welcome back to another video.
What's up, y'all? Been a while.
Yeah, we going to go pick up some parts. You already know. It's gonna be a bop of a drive, but we got to do it anyways. We're gonna go pick up fender, pretty much a whole front end, right?
Yeah,
Except the oh, okay.
Pause, bonnet.
So yeah, we're making a drive down to Miami, like deep Miami, pick some parts up, and then we're driving all the way back to Palm Beach. So I guess once we pick the parts up, pick the camera back up, and we go from there. All right, peace. Oh, look at the old school, bruh. Look at the old school, bruh. Watch out, Jeep. That boy chilling, big chilling.
That's that. Oh.
That's Donklife, bruh. Now we at Jason's shop. What's going on? Hey, bruh. That boy out. But yeah, we're at Jason's shop and found a little issue with the eksedan, which is why we got the parts that we needed to get. Ooh, look at this DA. I know I'm sidetracking right now. Well, Jason tuned this a while back. It made nice power. You know, LS on boost. It made nice power. The owner's pretty chill. But
damn, man, my man turned 80 on me, bro. You wanna say?
this is our issue right here. Y'all probably can't see, but it got wrinkled up right there. Got hit.
That's on me.
So they're gonna pull it, and then we bought the radiator support and everything to fix
Where
that
is
issue.
that? Where?
I have to get a new
I
bag.
want you to say that on camera, yo. What'd you say?
What'd you say, man?
What happened? You don't want to tell the audience now? What happened?
Oh, tell them that you were threatening me
Okay, yeah, but what'd you
to
say
pistol
though?
with me. Should I keep going?
Matter of fact, I did tell him that. If you want, I could do that for y'all right now.
Wow.
And then you can forward on GTA and do the same shit when you're playing with him too.
Nah, we
Pause.
ain't talking about no GTA. You know you wasn't talking about no GTA. Don't try to show off for the camera, bro.
Yo, what we doing right now, bro?
None of your business. Mind your business.
So you gonna tell your audience to mind their business?
I'm telling you to mind your business.
But I'm asking you so you can let them know what you're
no,
doing.
I could tell them what I'm doing.
Well, you're on camera.
You just gonna record me?
So yeah, anyway, we cleaning up the bay. As you can see, the homie over here is removing the motor mounts. Gonna be ready to clean up this bay. Probably sand it down, give it a little paint.
We ain't sanding this shit today. We sanding this shit today?
No, but you know, prep the bay, right?
I wish we could prep the
Yo, leave in the comment section if this man need a haircut, bro. Looking like Rick Ross again, bro.
Quick update. I took the mounts out and I'm taking the heater core lines out, and yeah, I'm just removing all the unnecessary stuff that we don't need. So that's what I've been doing, just, you know, getting this ready to kind of clean out the bay a little bit, you know, so we can wash it, degrease it, all that good jazz. So, you know, just, you already know I got the evap and mounts out, so I'm just gonna pull this shit off. And we got Jason over there, all-wheel drive K-swap on boost. Check him out at Prestige Motorsports one. All right, so I'm gonna keep pulling this shit off, then eventually start cleaning this down. But I don't know, we'll see. I'll pick up the camera when I need to and then go from there. All right, so everything's out so far for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and take the front end off. So I'm taking the fenders, the front bumper, and hopefully the radiator support. So that's all right. So we're back here for more surprises, bro. Surprises part 2. Look right here. That's crazy, but everything here that you see is gonna be fixed and like nothing ever happened. So you see the damage now, and when we come back later on in a later video, you will never know this happened to the car. Ah, god damn. Oh yeah, I'll pick up the camera soon. All right, y'all boys, so if you guys want to see anything related to this four-door, I'm not going to show you the driving. You got to head over to Jason's channel, check it out, because yeah, he's doing a whole build series on it, and for you to see that, you got to hit him up. So I'm just showing you that the car is alive, you feel me? And that's pretty much it. But yeah, we just got some gas and everything, and we about to head out.
Yo.
How's it coming along, bro?
Hey, good, bro.
Let me show them what the progress look like.
Hey, is it
Go fuck yourself.
You know, we're not eating right there, sir.
Good boy.
So, you see what I'm keep like that, sir? Come on. And brother, when the rain fall, it wasn't
This
like
thing
that.
coming out nice.
You wouldn't end up, brother.
Boy, putting in work today, dog.
Disgusting, bro.
What's your problem, bro? I told you, bro. Blood, sweat, and tears.
Them boys doing work, man.
build a car,
They
bro,
doing
take
work.
blood, sweat, and
They doing work.
right.
I got a wrench for that.
Oh, okay, okay.
Flash it when it gets. Flash it blood.
Coming along, we gotta get this fixed right here, guys.
Yeah, man, that's the only frame we gotta fix,
Yeah,
man.
gotta fix it up, make it nice and
Change the radiator support.
yep. And this I want to rest now, as usual. Team back.
No, you hide it behind it.
Oh yeah, hide for. Hey, where you hide for?
Let me do everything.
Now I don't know. I rub him bumbo clock balls.
You put something right there, sir. Let's say you put the board right there, sir. Right there, sir.
Oh, the dad cap bag. Man got the dad hat on. Oh, see it there? I was trying to rock this part off, but I shook the whole car.
Eh. Bro, I did one side, bro. Let me record you doing some fucking work, bitch.
Yeah, this motherfucker been high.
Hey, I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't trying to.
Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Hey.
Hey.
Look what he's doing, guys. You're lucky it's turned off. You're lucky it's turned off.
It's actually still recorded.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, give him up. Hey, y'all look what he does, bro. He be talking so much smack. And look what he does, dude. That's all he does. Look, I'm right here working, bro. And this man sit here laughing, dude.
Yo, take your ass
Hey,
home.
y'all just subscribe to my boy right though. He right. He just stay black and just chilling.
Put in the comment section.
Hey, drop a comment what y'all think about this dude, bro. Drop a comment. Y'all think, what y'all think
Yo,
about
he
him,
need a
bro?
haircut too. So, yeah, that radiator support coming on. Oh. Oh, look who's back.
One right here. That's why I gotta cut all this shit.
And then go have to shave off.
Yeah, I gotta grind on this because they're fucking the ugly ass shit.
I'll pick back up after we're done. So, this is the finished progress right here with the radiator support gone.
Finished
It's gone, bro. It is gone.
Starting progress.
Stop, thank you.
Starting progress.
So now we're gonna bring the car to a frame shop, have them bang this, straighten this out, straighten this little section out right here, and start the process to start cleaning up though. Shout out to this man right here, bro. Always helping the man out, bro. And this motherfucker, when he's not lazy though, I appreciate it though.
Sometimes he's too lazy, gotta push it.
Facts, big facts, big facts.
It's just like a scooter, bro. You gotta push the scooter before it starts.
Yeah, anything you want to say?
I'm good, bro.
Want to close this out?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
What, you ain't gonna say that, bro?
The video ain't done yet.
What you mean the video ain't done yet, bro? We done. Alright, but you guys know what it is. The next time you go see this car, everything should be straightened, sanded down.
In about 2 years.
Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.